Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's tip is to consider where you have pungent in your form, where it's been emphasized, where it's been named, where it's been applied and practiced, and shift your awareness throughout your form to sort of pay attention to where else pungent might be other than the places it's been pointed out to you. So maybe this is the interstitial movements. Maybe it's the movements that you wouldn't ordinarily think of as pungent. And I'm not saying that it is there. I might argue that it could be there, but I'm not here to argue. But shifting your awareness to the felt sense of the form and where pungent might live, or what might be arable soil for the growth of pong. Even if you don't put pong in there, maybe it could fit in there. Maybe it could grow there. Maybe somebody else is growing it there. So I'm not trying to change your form, but I'm just trying to shift your awareness to look for that cool thing that you learned in Tai Chi elsewhere in Tai Chi, not simply where you learned it can be. So thank you very much. And remember, Pongjen is this idea of expansion, right? So how are you expanding the art? What are you doing to expand the art, the reach of the art? Thank you very much.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.